Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, KB. So, I don't know where and how to start this video, but I was gonna make a video on Windows 11. I was just thinking about it, okay? But unfortunately or fortunately, I have found something greater than Windows 11. Yes, I'm talking about the Windows 12. Yeah. So, as I said in the beginning of my video that I don't know where and how to start this, but let's just start this from here. So it will be more interesting. Okay. So you can see in this picture that this is a Windows 12 CD, okay, DVD, whatever. Okay. So somewhere in the world, someone is selling the Windows 12. Yeah, this is true. And actually, yesterday I was scrolling through the news feed and I found out about this through this website, Tech Radar. Okay. So they say there is a Windows 12 Lite. Okay. And I'm not going to go into the deep detail. Actually, I have to. Okay. So unfortunately, there is no download link for the Windows 12, but you can get the DVD. Good for you if you want to get the DVD of Windows 12, because why not? Okay, it's Windows 12. Okay, so actually the person who is selling this is actually selling this around $20 to $30, the DVD Windows 12. So it's in computer shop. Actually, the original post is this in Reddit. And as you can see, saw this at local computer shop and couldn't stop laughing, he says, but he didn't mention that where it is, like where did he spotted this or something like that. He just posted this. So yeah, that's it. And let's just go deep inside the Windows 12, what it is actually. So the thing is that this is not a Windows 12. Yeah, by the name, it is Windows 12, but it's not by the Microsoft. It has nothing to do with the Microsoft. It is actually a Linux running a undercover mode or something similar to undercover mode, which means, if you have watched my last video about this is not Windows 10, actually there is a Kali Linux which comes with a amazing feature which lets you transform your Linux into a Windows 10, and the picture you see in my video is actually not a Windows 10. It is actually a Linux which looks like a Windows 10, and this is just a skin. So I'm hoping, or I'm just guessing, that the guy, whoever made the Windows 12, is actually using the undercover mode of Kali Linux, and he is trying to sell it as a Windows 12. Yeah, now you got the idea. This is a whole big scam. Okay, so he is scamming the people. So actually there is a official or unofficial, I don't know what to say about it, but there is a site. Okay, you can say official site of the Windows 12, you can see here. Okay, and they have some pictures of the Windows 12, which is actually a Linux running a Windows 10 theme. And if you scroll down, you'll find lots of text to read, but I don't want to. Okay, they just talk about how this operating system works and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, this is bullshit. Okay. Okay, you can also contact. So I don't know where this guy lives or where this is happening in the world, but you can see the website address is .co.uk, which means the person who is selling this fake Windows 12 is from UK. Okay, because he's using the .co.uk domain name, or maybe someone has bought the .co.uk domain name. So it's not like only UK people can buy this, but anyone can buy it. But just thinking that since this is a UK domain name, maybe that person is also from the UK. So as I said, you can also contact. Okay, so this is the contact information. The website is so poorly designed. Look at this. No one will be convinced. No, I'm not gonna be convinced to download the Windows 12. There is no such a thing, but I don't know if it's a real phone number. I think it is, or maybe he has bought some virtual phone number or something like that, but I don't know the country code. Maybe this one is country code. Let's just do it. Country code. Yeah, this is, as I said, I think this is Australia. Yeah, it's a UK telephone number. Yeah, that guy is from UK. Okay, as I said. Yeah, this guy is from UK. And he's trying to sell a fake Windows 12. Yeah. I don't know, man, what to say about this or what to think about it. But this is happening in computer workshop or computer shop where you can buy computers. Okay. So the thing is that he's also selling a Windows 12. And, the people who don't know about the operating system that much, maybe the people who is going to buy the Windows 12 and he has never used a Linux before, so he's probably gonna think that this is the Windows 12 because he doesn't know about the Linux. And actually, you don't have to spend money on getting this type of system in your computer. You can get the Linux, any Linux, and use the Kali Linux undercover mode or some Windows 10 theme, and you can make it look like Windows 12, as he mentions. Okay, so he thinks that this is the Windows 12. Actually, he doesn't think. He knows everything because he's a smart guy, actually, because he's trying to sell Linux as a Windows 12. And yeah, that's it. He's the smartest guy, or maybe fool guy. I don't know what to say about this. But yeah, UK people, be aware. Don't buy Windows 12. Okay. I don't know, man. As I said, I don't know what to think about it, what to do, and I don't know where to start and finish this video. But yeah, I'm also confused. I don't know how to explain this, but people who have never used a Linux, they're gonna fall for it. Okay, if they don't know nothing about the Linux, they're gonna fall for it. All right, one more time. Okay. This is funny, really. The Reddit user, whoever posted this, really, this is funny for those people who know everything about Linux and Windows and all those stuffs. But this is really unfunny for those people who don't know nothing about the computer system and all that kind of stuff. People will get fooled easily. Okay. But people who know, and if you read all of these, they're gonna laugh because this is Linux. Okay. So he's smart. The guy who ever made this thing, he's smart. So he says, no upgrading whenever you want to work. No upgrade that fails, so you cannot upgrade anymore, forcing you to buy more Windows 10. What the hell, man? I didn't even understand that. Buy Windows 10? BUY? You mean just BY, okay? Not buy, okay? Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's just read. No virus or ransomware. Windows 12 is immune from these nasties. He's somewhat right, because getting a virus in Linux is hard because no one uses the Linux. That's the fact. Okay, it's not that popular, and hackers don't even bother touching that. Okay, if the Linux was popular as the Windows, then it would get whatever this guy is saying. Okay. Okay, you can run alongside Windows. Yeah, you can do the dual boot. Yeah, I know that. Okay, but it's not a Windows 12. Okay, menu has sudo. Okay, ideal for gamers with Steam in the menu and NVIDIA drivers. Yeah, Linux is getting closer to gaming thingy, but not officially. It's unofficially. I mean, there is a Wine Play on Linux thingy which lets you run some games on Linux, but it's the experience is not that great. Okay, it's not a native official support by the game, so it's gonna be buggy, laggy, something like that. No license, no activation key. I know every single, almost not every single, some of the Linux have paid versions, but almost all the Linux is free. Okay, you don't need to buy. No AdWords or sharing with Microsoft. That is totally untrue or false, because some of the Linux also collect data. So I'm not too sure about, I don't use Linux, I use Windows. So as I heard on the news, I know like Ubuntu was accused to collecting a data of users, something like that. Okay, I'm not going to go into the deep detail. As I said, I'm not a Linux user, but that's not completely true. Some of the Linux also collect data of users. Okay, data. I don't know how to say this, but you got it. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's it. I'm confused, man. How this guy is so genius. Actually, in my country, if I do this, people will fall for this. Actually, yeah, I'm just gonna open the computer shop and I'm gonna sell these Windows 12. I'm gonna say it's just $10 or something like that, and I'm gonna be rich. Oh man. All right. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you need more information, or if you want to buy, or if you want to know more about this Windows 12 thingy, then I will put link in the description. You can go there and check out by yourself. I will put link in the description for the Reddit post. I will put link in the description for the official site of Windows 12, whatever. Okay, I don't know if it's official. Okay, I don't even have words. Okay, and also for the news post. Okay, you can go there and read and know more about this. As I said, this is a Linux using a Windows 10 theme, and this is not a Windows 12. And for people like us who know about everything, these operating system and Linux and Windows, everything, it's not a big deal. We can escape easily. But for those people who don't know nothing about these, they will fall for it. I'm sure he has sold lots of CDs or DVDs of Windows 12. So don't fall for this. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.